Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to clone content in Hubspot, so you can save time and reuse existing assets without starting from scratch. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clone Hubspot content. To do that, first head over to the content you want to clone. For example, go to Content, then navigate to Blog. From here, select the blog you want to clone. Keep in mind that aside from blog content, you can also clone emails, tasks, and other assets in Hubspot. As you can see here, I have my email selected. Click on Actions, and you'll see different options available. To clone the content, simply click on Clone. Next, rename the cloned version. For example, let's name this one Vlog. After that, choose the email type and click Clone. Once this is done, your content will be successfully duplicated and ready to use. And that's all for today. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how easy it is to clone content in Hubspot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.